Hi guys, so I'm gonna do one of those really cool transitions. So like I'm kind of just chilling here and then my stuff is just gonna appear. Hi guys, it's Kallie Marie. And today I am unboxing a guitar. Obviously from the title you can tell what I'm doing today, and I'm just gonna unbox it because I've been waiting a while. So this is the box. It literally just came with. It's freaking huge, and I like can't figure out how to open it. So we're just gonna start cutting. And while I am cutting, I'm going to explain two things. So one, I literally have not seen any girl like my age or any girl in general unbox a guitar in literally a year. So y'all girls, get on that. What's happening there? And number two, literally I've been waiting for this since like a week ago, but I like checked when it's gonna be here like 12,000 times. Like it's a problem. I already see stuff in here, so we're gonna start unopening it. Alright, so the first thing we got is strings. So I literally hate doing this, but like we literally have strings because I got a like starter kit and like it comes with like a bunch of stuff along with the strings. We also have a clip-on tuner. Again, we're gonna have to we'll probably use that to tune it. We have a strap. This is just a plain black strap. What is this? Oh, we have 3 picks. These are Fender picks. Is that it? I think that's all the little stuff. Now we get to take out the guitar. Clean cloth. Okay, so here's our guitar. We have, it's the Jasmine s35. Alright, I hate when people do this so you can't see. So I'm gonna see, make sure you guys can see. You ready? Oh my goodness, crap. Well, there's just so many like boxes. Alright, let's open her up. It's so nice. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh, we are out of tune. Oh my goodness. Oh, out of tune. Okay. Oh my goodness. Gracious, I'm so freaking excited. We need to tune this. Okay. Dude, I'm freaking excited. I'm gonna go tune this and I will be right back because I'm having a actual problem. Okay, I'll be right back. Guys, so I'm back and it's like slightly a lot bit later, like it's an hour later because I literally could not figure out how to work this tuner. I am not smart. And then I could not tune it for the life of me because I couldn't figure out which made it higher, which made it lower. It was literally, I was like, why am I so not smart? And I literally, wow, good job, Kallie. Okay, now I'm pretty sure they've already, like the strings have already gone out of tune. So, oh, that's not a B. it just keeps like moving, and I'm like, why? Can you please stop? But we practiced first 2 chords. We learned C, G, and A minor. A minor is probably my favorite. G is the 4, 6, 1, and 2, or 5, 6, 1, and 2, and it's I also put Halloween socks on. My feet were getting cold. So there's also, I have my 3 picks that I just really wish you guys could, there's just boxes everywhere and like stuff. There's just stuff everywhere and like, yeah. So I also have my tuner that's just sitting on the floor. I want to know where my picks went. Also, by the way, I put the strap on just because it was getting uncomfortable without. So, let me see. I definitely forgot C. This one's the hardest. There we go. That actually came out pretty well. Yeah, so honestly, I really love this, and I don't feel like I'm in a place to like judge it too much, and I don't want to sound like I know it all when I really don't. It's my limited knowledge, like my beginner self. I personally like it. Like it looks nice. It sounds, I mean, good to me who's never really studied music.
And may I just say that, dude, my fingers, ooh, I knew it was gonna hurt going into it, like I knew it. But like, actually though, yeah.
But anyways, I'll put a link down below to which guitar I have. It's the Jasmine s35. It's on Amazon. It came with a little starter pack, but it came with like the tuner, and that's kind of why I got it. It didn't come with a capo, which I was kind of upset about, because I kind of want to try and like figure out how to do that. There's also like bar chords.
I've heard that the capo helps with bar chords, which I really try bar chords, so with that, I'll do another bar chord. Figure out A minor, because I already forgot that.
So I just realized I never filmed an outro, so in the video, if you did enjoy, comment down below your favorite part of the video, comment down any comments, questions, concerns, or any tips you have for beginning guitar players. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys next time.